The Tecnofire input-output modules are characterized according to the number of inputs and outputs that can all be freely configured via software without having to set any dip switch on the module. The operating parameters can all be controlled thanks to the full RSC management of the devices, supporting the proprietary high-speed communication protocol FireSpeed. The presence of line splitters with dual insulators in all modules is a sign of superior design and manufacturing quality, certified in full compliance with the EN54 standards. The input modules available are TFM10 providing one input, TFM20 providing two inputs, and TFM50 providing 5 inputs. The one input version features a miniature size. It can be housed inside a special case, and it consists of a supervised physical logical unit with one input. The 2-input version has bigger hardware. It too can be housed inside a special case or installed on an Omega DIN bar using the relevant adapter. This module consists of 2 supervised physical logical units with 2 inputs. Thanks to its larger size, we have been able to affix on its front panel a label showing the connection diagram. This feature in particular is highly appreciated as it highly reduces the possible wiring errors. The 5-input versions features a hardware allowing to typically install it inside electrical panels in front or rear mode, as it can be fixed to an Omega DIN bar. It consists of 5 supervised physical logical units with 5 inputs. Even this module features the label showing the connection diagram. Certified EN5417, EN5418. The Tecnofire addressable output modules are characterized according to the number of outputs and can be freely configured via software without having to set any dip switch on the module. The available models are TFM01 providing 1 output and TFM05 providing 5 outputs. The 1-output version has the same hardware as the 2-input device. It can be housed inside a special case or installed to an Omega DIN bar using the shown adapter. It consists of a supervised physical logical unit with 1 output. Its size has allowed us to affix on its front panel a label showing the connection diagram, a highly appreciated feature, reducing possible wiring errors. Another plus of this device is that it can be set to 2 modes: potential free contact capacity 1 ampere 30 VCC or supervised output with reversed polarity. This second mode is compliant to the norms and standards on control devices for fire alarm warning. Configuration can be set via software. The 5-output version features the hardware allowing to typically install it inside electrical panel in front or rear mode, as it can be fixed to an Omega DIN bar. It consists of 5 supervised physical logical units with 5 outputs. Even this module features the label showing the connection diagram. Like the 1-output module, even the 5-output model can be configured with a contact or with a supervised output. Certified EN5417, EN5418. The final item in the input and output module range is the TFM21, provide the same performances of the 2-input module combined with the 1-output module. The module is certified EN5417, EN5418. This addressable module consists of a supervised physical logical unit having 1 input for conventional sensors. It allows to connect up to 5 conventional sensors without 24 VDC external power supply and up to 31 with power supply. It is equipped with a service input for the powering of conventional sensors, opto-isolated, certified EN5417, EN5418. The input module for 420 mA devices can support any external device equipped with a 420 mA current output, like gas detection sensors. As fire alarms are managed separately from the technological alarms stored in the Tecnofire control panels, this device can freely be connected to the same communication bus as the fire detection devices in full compliance with the EN542 norms and standards. It is an addressable module consisting of two supervised physical logic units with two inputs for 420 mA devices, uniquely identified by the system, using at most two addresses. It certified EN5417, EN5418. Addressable button allowing to issue a manual fire notification. It can be installed outdoor or in a semi-recessed position using a box or a case. You can choose between two actuation systems for the button, a glass break system and a resettable membrane system. The latter can be reset through a special key supplied with the button. The button is provided with a line breaker with dual insulator. It supports the proprietary high-speed communication protocol FireSpeed and allows the full RSC management for the setup, remote management and control of all operating parameters. Certified EN5411, EN5417. This device is an additional addressable power supply for fire detection and warning system for buildings. The rated supply voltage is 230 VAC. Rated output data are 28 VDC, maximum current deliverable 5 ampere. The unit provides 3 independent outputs protected by self-resettable PTC fuses. For the powering of external devices, each output delivers a current of up to 1.1 ampere. It is equipped with battery test and release automatic functions for deep discharge. It features control panel in the front section with 6 LEDs indicating the operational state of the unit. It is also equipped with a fault notification output with a potential free contact relay. The buffer battery housing holds two 12-volt 17 ampere units. Like all Tecnofire products, it is equipped with a line splitter with dual insulator. The unit is directly connected to the loop and uses the proprietary high-speed communication protocol FireSpeed. It includes as well the full RSC management of the device for the setup, remote management and control all operating parameters. Certified EN544, EN5417.